We'll guide you through how to redeem Discord Nitro. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord, and you can follow this on a computer by the way as well, we'll explain it for both. So Discord Nitro is a really cool thing to go and have, so we're going to guide you through how you can go and redeem a code, as perhaps somebody went and gave you one as a present or just for another reason, or instead you've went out and bought one and you have one and you want to go and add it to your account. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this is full guide. So you may have come to the settings within the Discord mobile app and found that you can't go and find the setting you're looking for to go and redeem it. You may have come into Nitro gifting and you can't go and see the redeem option. So we're going to guide you through this. Now, if you're using the Discord app on a computer, you can stay within it. I'll show you what to click in a moment. But to do this on a phone, what we need to do is go and head to the Discord web app. So open up a web browser of your choice. I'm on an iPhone, we'll use Safari, but you can use Chrome, it doesn't matter. Now what you can do, if I go and tap on search here, we can go and type in Discord, like so, and go and search for it and come to discord.com. Now tap on the address bar, and what you need to do is go and add /app. So it says discord.com/app, and you can then go to it. Now go and sign into your account. I've now pressed login and you can go and see it's loading. Here, press the 3 lines in the top left. Now you can follow along in a computer as well. So go to your profile in the bottom left on a computer and find the Get a Cook icon over to the right. In here, you want to go and scroll down and go and find gift inventory and click there. Then at the top here, it says redeem codes. Receive a code for Nitro or a game, that's exciting, enter it here. So you can type it in, press redeem, and it'll be added to your account.